Welcome to a slice of Hollywood, Florida magic, where charm and upgrades unite in a symphony of urban bliss. Picture this: a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom sanctuary, each corner brimming with character, and each upgrade a testament to sophisticated living. Step through the front door and let the open layout wrap you in a warm embrace. The heart of this home beats in the chef-inspired kitchen, a realm where culinary dreams aren't just cooked up, but come to life. Here, high-end appliances mingle with wood cabinets, and a Viking cooktop winks at the built-in oven, promising feasts and whispers of midnight snacks. But wait, the story of this home has more chapters. Each window and door stands as a stalwart guardian, equipped to brave Florida's tempestuous weather, all while letting sunlight dance across the beach, inspired distressed wood look, water-resistant flooring. Those charming French doors, flirtatiously leading you to an outdoor haven that rivals Eden itself. In this house, every wall, every upgrade speaks of a journey, a unique, loving, and utterly delightful journey set in the heart of Hollywood, Florida. It's not just a place to live, it's a canvas of memories waiting for your brush now. A sparkling resort-style saltwater pool, a patio tailor-made for moonlit dining or sun-soaked siestas, all nestled in a backyard that whispers, "Stay a while." This house has brains and beauty. Extra spacious backyard has room to park an RV or a boat, with entrance through alleyway. This isn't just a house. It's a veritable masterpiece in one of Hollywood's most vibrant neighborhoods. located in a family-friendly neighborhood where dull is a forbidden word. This home is just a hop, skip, and a jump from the throbbing heart of downtown Hollywood. Imagine living a stone's throw from the legendary Guitar Hotel and the serene Hollywood beach. Schools, shopping, and dining, all within a leisurely stroll. And let's not forget Hollywood Beach's celebrated Broad Walk, a nearby treasure waiting to be explored.